Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at Proraso Cypress and Vetyver Beard Oil. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these, you can check out the links in the description below. Proraso Cypress and Vetyver Beard Oil. Like Cremo, Proraso is primarily known for their stellar shaving creams. Of all the men's grooming companies we reviewed in the making of this article, Proraso is by far the most established. Founded in 1908 by Ludovico Martelli, Proraso has been serving men around the world for over a century. However, Proraso's entrance into the beard care segment is new and currently offers three distinct scents: azure lime, cypress, and vetiver, wood and spice. For the traditionalists out there looking for a beard oil, the wood and spice will be the classic offering that will likely catch your attention. It's going to be one of those oils that exudes all the traditional outdoorsy traits that a lot of folks downright love. But for our review, we wanted to focus on the cypress and vetiver beard oil. This unique scent not only evokes light and airy notes that is akin to lemongrass, but will set you apart from the rest. Beyond scent, this beard oil includes a wide array of carrier oils that will make any facial hair look and feel incredible, which include the following: sunflower seed oil, eucalyptus leaf oil, macadamia oil. When it comes to packaging, Proraso gets everything right. Not only is the beard oil contained in a dropper bottle for easy application, but it's also stored in a cardboard box for longer ingredient preservation. If there were any gripes about this beard oil, it's that the ingredient profile isn't completely natural. Best for men who are looking for a truly unique beard oil from Europe. Key ingredients: sunflower seed oil, parfum, avocado oil, macadamia seed oil, eucalyptus leaf oil, walnut shell extract, menthol, vitamin E oil, limonene, linalool. Important facts: capacity 1 ounce, location Fiesole, Italy, scent variety. What you need to know: its really unique scent sets it apart from nearly every other beard oil on the market. While affordable, it does also contain a few non-natural ingredients. Hit that like button for this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn notifications on so you'll know the next time we put out another video, and thanks for watching.